Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, BoKnowsNails. If you haven't already subscribed or liked, you should do that to get all of my latest videos. Today we are going to be doing this blue cat eye. For the sake of the video, I have already done the first layer and cured it. I have a white with pearl rockstar on the ring just for a little accent. And we're gonna go ahead and do the second coat of the cat eye with the magnet. I usually hold the magnet over the nail for 20 seconds. I start closer to the nail and then I start drifting it upwards. By doing so, it pulls a nice fine line. I'll put it in the light for a flash cure. And then we'll go on with the other nails. The cat eye polish is a really neat way to have a simple yet flashy nail at the same time. I'm going to hold the magnet close to it, slowly drift it away, and flash cure. The reason why we flash cure is so the line does not drift back into the rest of the polish. By flash curing it in between fingers, it holds its position. So you can continue to go on to the other nails, save a little bit of time. Oh, I was going to skip it. Do the magnet. You can do the magnet different directions, but I find this diagonal direction really gives it the best look. I've done it up and down, side to side, just because of the way you move your hand is more of a side to side movement, twisting of the wrist, and that is just what really gives that line the best shine. I'm curing it now. I'm going to get top coat. I have done cat eye with matte top coat before. It's doable. It looks alright. But it kind of takes away from what the cat eye is really meant to look like by removing that shine. When I first started doing nails, I mostly practiced doing my own nails, just because I was always available and I never complained. For someone starting to do nails, I would really recommend doing your own nails over and over again, because it is the hardest thing to do the right hand and the left hand. But if you can do that, you can do anybody's nails so much easier. And I really found that made a big difference for me in my career. Was after really learning how to do my nails, everybody else's nails were just a piece of cake. So this is the blue cat eye by Joy Mia. It is number C, or letter CE, number 35. I don't know why they don't name their colors. They just do these numbers and dashes and things. You can see that. So this is a great color. This is a really good winter look with the white rock star. I already had that on, so I just left it there for this video. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and comment below. And that's it for the blue cat eye.